Just like English, the subjects in Bengali are broadly divided into three categories: first person, second person, and third person. All these three categories can be further divided into two subcategories: singular number and plural number. Simply put, first person singular number, first person plural number. Second person singular number, second person plural number. Third person singular number, third person plural number. If we look into some examples, first person singular number, I. In Bangla we say ami, I, ami, I, ami. First person plural number, we, আমরা, we, আমরা. Second person singular number, you, referring to one person, তুমি, 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 তুমি. Second person plural number, you, referring to several person, you. In Bangla we say তোমরা, 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 তোমরা. Third person singular number, he. Third person singular number, he, she. In Bangla we say she. Both for male and female we use one single word, she, she. Third person plural number, they, they. In Bangla we say tara, 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 tara. We can also say Jack and Jane. We can say Jack and Jane. In Bangla we would say Jack ebong Jane, Jack ebong Jane. Connecting these two separate third person singular numbers with the conjunction and, Jack and Jane, Jack ebong Jane. Thank you very much for being with us. Stay tuned.